Good morning, children. Today we are going to read the chapter The Third Level by Jack Finney. You must have had any experience that is very difficult to explain to others. And in this lesson, also, Charlie, the narrator of this lesson, has this experience and it is very difficult to explain to others. Actually, there are two levels of the railroads that are mentioned here: New York Central, New York, New Haven, Hartford Railroads. But according to Charlie, there are three. Level means different platforms for different trains. He is sure that there are three levels because he has been to Grand Central Station, and so that nobody can tell him mad, or nobody can tell him that he is only imaging. He takes a very clear step. He talks about this incident to his friend who is a psychiatrist and others also. He said, his psychiatrist friend said that it was a waking dream, wish fulfillment, and nothing else. This was an imagination. And it happened because Charlie was unhappy and he was escaping from his problems. After hearing this, Charlie's wife got mad. She was very anxious to know about this. But after that, his psychiatrist friend explained that he meant that this modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry. And this is what's happening. We are so much depressed. We want to make our own world. We want to lose. We want to get lost in that world. So this was the case with Charlie also, according to the psychiatrist friend. He was an escapist. He was only escaping from the problems. But Charlie did not agree to this point of view. He told that in this world everybody wants to escape. But it doesn't mean that they wander into any third level at Grand Central Station. But there is the reason, he said, that Charlie had an hobby of collecting stamps. And you know, children, when we have any hobby, it means we find some relief, we find some relaxation when we are involved in the passion that we have. And according to his psychiatrist friend and others also, stamp collecting that he had the hobby, it was a temporary refuge from reality. And true it is. Whenever we follow our hobbies, we are just transferred to that world. But Charlie is of the opinion that his grandfather also had this hobby of stamp collecting, and there at the time was no worry, no fear, no insecurity. Everything was very nice and peaceful. So, children, to sum up, Charlie visits the third level, but nobody believes.